Dear students, I am Ravi S. Pujari, economics lecturer. My YouTube channel name Economics Ravi 1776. Dear students, so today topic write the difference between substitute goods and complementary goods. So this topic it will be came for in the annual examination 4 marks questions. So annual examination it will be came for in the 4 marks. Most important for in the chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 you know that the theory of consumer behavior. So this is the first one important of the this one chapters. Okay. So first priority. Okay. So first one we have started with the first one substitute goods. Okay, then complementary goods or complementary goods. Okay, first one substitute goods means okay, these are alternative goods available to the satisfying our wants. So alternative goods it means already, so what so our wants is there, that want particular of commodity it will be they have the so consuming are available of our wants, it will be they have the use for in the alternative. Okay, alternative way of the they have the consuming for in the particular of our wants. Okay, particular of commodity. So for examples, so we have the taken by the example, suppose in suppose we want a tea. Okay, we want a tea, so then sometime it will be they have the shift in the another one commodity, like it will be they have the drink for in the coffee, boost, okay, or milk. So this is the concept of so this is the concept of the substitute goods. Okay, so we are all always it will be they have the normally they have the consume for or drinking for in the like so tea, but sometime it will be they have the change for in the shift time, so then we have the changes for in the like a coffee or another one so commodity. So that is the one of the concept of substitute goods. Okay, so these are all the alternative goods available to the satisfying for in the our wants. Okay, so that is the one of the concept. Then complementary goods. Okay, complementary goods means that so these are the goods which are the consumed the together. Okay, consumed the together it means so particular of our commodity is there or particular of our wants is there, that wants it will be they have the consuming for in the together. So for example pen. Okay, pen and ink, so there are two content is there, that content it will be they have the use for in the at a time. Okay, or simultaneously. So this is called for in the like a complement goods. Okay, complement goods already you know that so already some one goods is there, that one goods another one it will be they have the use for in the simultaneously. So that is the one of the concept of complementary goods. Okay, so that is the most important of the that word. Okay, so these all the goods which are the consumed together. Together means it means that it is the simultaneously. Okay, continuation of the they have the consuming for in the so process. So that is called for in the like a complementary goods. Then dear student, second one thing. Okay, second point, if the price of a product increases. Okay, so if a price of a product, one product it is there, that product it will be there the increasing of the so prices in the market. Okay, then the demand for it substitute to also it will be there the increases. Okay, so for example, so in the demand, okay, demand curve is there. Okay, demand so it means price relation. What is the relation is there? One side price is there and another one side so particular of commodity of the increases is there, demand also it will be there the increasing of the that one. So for example we have that so D. Okay, D is there, demand okay, price is there and demand quantity is there. Okay, so OP and OQ. Okay, OP is the price level is there and demand it will be there the so this is the is there. Okay, so that is the one of the relationship. So whenever it will be there the increases of demand production of the prices, then it will be automatically they have the substitute goods it will be they have the increases. Okay, so increases of the that one goods, so D1 and D2. Okay, D1 D1, so this is the one of the increases of the relationship. Then second one side if the price of a product increases, the demand for it complementary goods it will be there the decreases. So complementary goods it will be the, suppose in case increasing of the price of the product, so then it will be they have the fall for in the like commodity of the complementary goods. Okay, so that is one of the it will be came for in the like this one side. Okay, D, so D1. Okay, next another one it will be came for in the like and so this one fall it will be came for in the that one. Okay, P price Okay, so then it will become for in the this one. So this is the type of, it will be they have the relationship between the substitute and complement goods. Then example, you know that for example substitute goods are tea and coffee. Okay, tea and coffee are Colgate and Pepsodent. So this is the one of the, they have the use for in the one commodity to another commodity. It will be they have the like so one commodity is there, so then it will be not the available or not the possible, then it will be they have the change for in the another one substitute goods. Okay, so substitute goods, it means they have the use for in the another one goods. But in the complement side, so for examples, okay, complementary goods are, so it will be called for in the pen and ink. So this is also one of the question framing for in the like one words. Okay, or match the following. One side it will be came for in the like a complementary goods, A side it will be given by the in the B side last or first pen and ink. So that is the example for in the complementary goods. Okay, so this is question also, it will be framed for in the 1 marks questions, you know that. Okay, so complement goods, it will be called for in the pen and ink is the good examples. And another one example is there, shoes and the socks. Okay, shoes and socks also it will be, they have the example for in the complement goods. Another one, sim. Okay, sim and mobiles. Okay, so this is also it will be the, so suppose in case in the mobile it will be not the, so any one it will be sim, then it will be not the value for in the that one mobile. Okay, so this is the two commodity, it will be at a time they have the use for in the like consuming of the our process. Okay, so that is called for in the complementary goods. Then dear student, so fourth one, so here the demand curve shift to the right in the case of the price rises. Okay, price rises, it means that increasing of the prices. Okay, so then it will be they have the call for in the demand. Okay, demand, so then automatically they have the demand, it will be changed for in the another one side. So this is the increasing. Okay, right side. Okay, right, it means the left to right, it will be they have the change for in the shift in the demand. Okay, see, suppose so D is there, so this is the demand curve. Okay, so then suppose in case price is there before price, okay, this is the one quantity. Suppose in case, so it will be they have the increasing of the prices, increasing of the P1. Okay, then automatically D, it will be shifting for in the left to right, it will be increases. Okay, so then it is the one of the, okay, suppose we have called for in the E1 and E1, E dash, E1. So this is the positive. So left to right, it will be they have the shift for in the this one right. Okay, so that means shift to the origin right in the case of the price rises. So this is the one of the relations. Then here the demand curve shift in the, okay, left in case of the prices. Okay, so then it will be they have the came for in the like it will be, so suppose in case, okay, demand it will be is there. Okay, demand is there, so beginning okay, demand, so this is the one of the price, C is there. Okay, then P and a Q. Okay, then it will be fall in the another one, so commodity, suppose this one. Okay, D dash and D dash, this is the fall of the, so like so right side it will be came for in the left side. Okay, here the demand curve shift in the left in case of the price whenever it increases. Okay, so whenever the price it will be increases, then it will be automatically they have the change for in the, so right right to left word it will be converted. Okay, then last point, so price and demand move in the same direction. So price and demand also it will be they have the came for in the same directions. Okay, same direction, so at a time it will be not constant. Okay, it will be they are the going for in the positive flow. Then so price and the demand side, complement side, move in the opposite directions. Okay, move in the opposite directions. So this is the relationship between the like substitute goods and complement goods. So this is the one of the concept of so like so this one content. Okay, thank you dear students.